Hi, I'm Marianne Cameron, part of this class. A little bit about me. I have 8 children and 17 grandchildren. And let's see, I served a mission to Ireland in 2005 to '07. And I babysit for my one son 3 days a week. Um, this is my room as I babysit, this pink room. And so I'm up here hiding from the noise so I can record this. I do quilt a lot. I eventually will sell them on the internet, but I'll show you one that I have right now here. This is a patriotic quilt. You can um, see it. It's made out of nice soft material and very warm, very nice. Or you can see the quilt on my bed. It's just a rag quilt, but I embroidered geckos on that one. So, but I do love to quilt. I live with my daughter, one of my daughters, and she has horses and dogs and cats and you name it. And so that's what I do in my other life is I feed horses and clean up after them. Really fun. It keeps me in shape. Let's see. I have a I babysit for my daughter-in-law who's a teacher. She's taught from kindergarten up to 5th grade. So she has a library like crazy at her house of all these children's books. So I've been going through all of our books and it's kind of exciting. So I have picked out the ones that have really jumped out at me and have made all the lists and which weeks I'm going to read what. And so it's going to be kind of fun. So some of the books that I really like are of course, the Harry Potter series. My grandson, who is 10, that I babysit for, is a ferocious reader. He's read every series imaginable, and then he rereads them. Or sometimes he'll take a book and go through and reread the parts that he really liked. And he's always begging for more series. But I like the Twilight series. That was really fun. I also like the Percy Jackson series, which my grandson has read, I don't know how many times, probably 3 times, plus the series after the Percy Jackson series. And it makes me sad that they only made 2 movies out of that. But I also like historical novels where they take a fictional character and put it in with all the events, and it just kind of brings it to life. So I really like that. I like the one where they um, put fictional characters around the time of Christ and getting their reactions to various things. I thought that was really cool. Anyway, that's a little bit about me, and I look forward to seeing others' videos to get to know you. Thank you. Bye.